If you've ever saved posts on X, formerly Twitter, and you're wondering where to find them later, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. It's a quick and simple process, and once you know where to look, you can get back to your bookmarked posts in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to x.com, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation menu on the side of the screen. You'll see a section called More. Click on More to expand the additional options. In that menu, you should now see Bookmarks. Click Bookmarks, and that will take you straight to all of the posts you've saved on X. This is where every bookmarked post is stored, so you can come back to important tweets, articles, videos, or any content you want to revisit later. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, make sure you're logged into the correct account, because bookmarks are tied to the specific profile you save them under. That's really all there is to it. Go to x.com, open More, and click Bookmarks to view your saved posts anytime. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.